And here we will share the video about how to disassemble the I1600 printhead from the PEIII printer. And you need to put the printhead, move it, press it to the right side firstly, and then take it off. Then it is already okay. Hello, here we will share how to install the I1600 printhead on the 0609PEIII new model. And this is the I1600 printhead. And when you install it on the cap, on the position, you need to link to the right, because here there is a small screw. So you need to move it to the right and then put it here, and you can see here the screw, whether it is the hole is in the same position. And here you can see here already in this position. Here is not up. If it is upside, and means that you are not installed the printhead well. So now we install the screw. We can, for example, when you put this screw, you can move it to a little right side and then install.